If you're a high achiever and you always feel tired and wired and you struggle with procrastination when you need to be productive, then this video may not come as easy to you, but the information will be important. It's a never-ending cycle. You're at work, you've got a million things to get done, you're feeling overwhelmed, you're feeling irritable, cranky, stressed, and you feel like you've never got enough space in your day, let alone for yourself. There's a part of you that needs a break and you know it. So you reach for social media, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. You look for TV to kind of numb yourself out after work. You look for all the things that almost disconnect you from yourself instead of connecting you to yourself. Now think about the things that you do that light you up inside, that make you feel alive, that make you feel energized, that make you feel light and happy. Maybe that's going for a walk, going out in nature, maybe it's listening to some music, popping in a podcast, catching up with friends, family. Maybe it's creating some art, dance, writing some music, writing, whatever it is, it's something that is an internal creative experience. Doing things for yourself can often be seen as laziness because you feel like you're not doing enough, you're not achieving enough, and therefore you don't think it's worthwhile because it feels like it's unproductive. Procrastination is instant stress relief, and we all know that it doesn't actually decrease our stress, it creates more stress in the long run. So even though it sounds counterintuitive, a really good thing for you to do if you are struggling with this type of thing is to actually prioritize and know what the things are that you need to do in order to feel calmer, happier, more content before you can go and give your energy to something else.